Homaxi iQBox delivers an all-in-one outdoor surveillance solution with a modular design, customizable options, and enhanced active defense, significantly boosting monitoring efficiency and security levels. The iQBox features a modular power design, ensuring separation of high and low voltages to greatly enhance system stability. This design also simplifies wiring, reduces electromagnetic interference, and ensures long-term efficient operation. The power supply utilizes AC power, ensuring continuous and stable operation across various scenarios while meeting the demands of high-performance devices. The weak current section features a slide-in modular design for easy wiring and maintenance. It is equipped with a PO switch and an alarm audio control board, ensuring efficient integration and flexible expansion. Additionally, reserved space allows for flexible installation of a 4G router or Wi-Fi bridge, providing customizable network options based on customer needs. The housing features a welded aluminum alloy structure with professional waterproof treatment applied to the door, body, and cable interfaces, enhancing its sealing performance and achieving an IP65 waterproof rating. Additionally, the design fully accounts for salt fog resistance, vibration resistance, and drop protection, ensuring adaptability to harsh environments and long-term reliability. The iQBox is compatible with various devices, meeting your diverse usage needs. iQBox is equipped with red and blue strobe lights that activate in sync when any connected camera triggers an alarm.
No parking here. No parking here.
It also integrates with a horn speaker for effective target deterrence.
No parking here. 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 Dangerous zone, do not enter. Dangerous zone, do not enter. Dangerous zone, do not enter.
Additionally, with powerful cloud-based remote management, it supports real-time alarm notifications and remote control via the Homaxi Site Watch and Homaxi View app.